Hi viewers, today gagawa tayo ng simple Java program na gumagamit ng five basic concepts of OOP or what we call object-oriented program. And dito sa goal natin ay mag-store tayo ng information tungkol sa books tulad ng pag-store ng title, author, and year published. So now here, unahin natin yung class, book class. Then curly braces. Then we have to declare data types, which is string, because our value is a word. Then our variable is title, semicolon. Then for our author, again, we have to declare string, then for author, semicolon. Then for our year published, we have to use data types integer. Then our variable year published. Semicolon. Next, we have gagawa lang tayo ng constructor para madali tayong makagawa ng bagong object na may author, title, tsaka year. So we have to declare book, then parentheses, then string for the string for author, integer for y. Then we have to put in curly braces. We have to call the variable which is our title. Then for our year publish, then next para naman sa pag-print natin ng details for our books, gagawa tayo ng method ng print details. So here we have to declare void print details, then open parentheses. Also we have to put open curly braces. Then we have to declare system that out that print ln parentheses code and code. Then you have to put book, then semicolon, then for our print ln open parentheses, then here code and code to be able to read our code. Then colon, and for the last, system that out that print ln open parentheses, then colon. Okay, tapos na tayo sa book class. So ngayon gagawa naman tayo ng library class kung saan ilalagay natin yung main method. So dito sa main method, gagawa tayo ng tatlong books objects gamit yung constructor na ginawa natin above. So we have, first we have to put public class library, curly braces, then you have to But to input here public static void main, then parentheses our data type string args is arguments. Also again, you have to put curly braces our first book new book open parentheses. Let's say my first book is Romeo and Juliet. Juliet. My second book is Noli. Noli me Tangeret. Then my third book is El Feli. Semicolon. Then our author of Romeo and Juliet is William Shakespeare. Then, quote unquote, then the Romeo and Juliet was published in 1597. Then Ennoli, authored by Jose Rizal. And this book published in 1887. Then for El Feli, also authored by Jose Rizal. And it's published in 1891. So finally, ipiprint na natin yung details ng bawat book gamit yung here, gamit tong print details. So what we gonna do, we have to declare system to be able to print our details of our books. Print ln web parentheses, then code and quote, then let's input book added to the library. Colon plus sign book 1 title semicolon. Again, we have another system that out that print for the second book to be able to print our details. Then for our third book, system that out that print ln. It seems I forgot the ln here. parentheses, then book added to the library, colon, then you have to put plus sign, then book 3, title, semicolon. Then for be able to print it cleaned and formatted, we have to declare system also that out that print that print ln, and this we have to put parentheses and leave it blank, then semicolon. Then also we have to declare system that print ln open parentheses within quote library. This is our header, library books. Then semicolon. Then here we have to declare a print details to be print successfully. We have to type book 1 that print details leave it blank, semicolon. And for the book 2, open parentheses, then for the semicolon, then for the book 3 that print details in here. So here makikita natin yung title, authors, and year published. So sa paggawa ng program na ito, naipakita natin yung 5 concepts of OPP, or what we call object-oriented program, na nilalaman ng what we call class and objects, encapsulation, abstraction, polyformism, inheritance, and that's it.